Hello friends and Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel. I'm your designing developer. Like in the previous videos, we have covered up many of the projects using Java and Android, and I hope you understand that all projects here. So today we are using Java and building an amazing project. Today I will be telling you that how we can just build an amazing soundboard project here using Java from start, and what thing we will be including this project moving forward. I will be telling you. So I hope you'll be understanding this video. So if you understand this and if you enjoy this project, if we are building, so remember to hit a like, and if you're new on the channel, the subscribe button, and after subscribing, the notification bell, so more people can learn and they can understand how we can build this project from start and what things we will be including in this project. I will be telling you moving forward. So just now here, if I just show you the project which we are just building here. So today we will be just building an amazing soundboard project which I'm just telling you in the start we will be just building here. So I will be now building this project, and we'll be starting with our soundboard project, like how we are building this. So for building this project, I will be now opening my folder here. So I will be moving to file, pressing open folder. This is our folder of soundboard in Java. After opening this folder, you have to go to the main file and remove all the codes from here, because we will be not needing these all file codes here. We will be writing our own codes here like this. Then move to the styling file here. These are the styling codes. Here also I will be removing, because I will be not needing these styling codes as well. Then move here and then remove these all stuff from here as well. Then here I will be moving here in this soundboard, and then we will be now creating this soundboard from start. So I will be moving to my desktop here, and then I will be moving to my main folder, and this was our main file here. So I will be opening it in my default Google Chrome browser. After opening this, you have to do it side by side. So I will be making the VS Code at the side, means at the left side, and at the right we will be getting our interface side here. After getting this, you have to now just write here in the body tag, means you have to start with the soundboard project here. So you have to write here audio tag, and in this audio tag I will be now just writing in the source, which should be like sound slash, and then I will be writing apples.mp3, which is the sound which I have saved here. You can also save many of the different sounds here, because we will be needing that in our project. So I will be copying this here, then paste it, paste it, paste it, paste it, paste it. Then you have to now just create a div id buttons. Then you have to now just write here, move down, and then create script source script.js. We will be linking our file here. Then I will be moving here, and then I will be writing some of the sounds we will be adding here in this project. So I will be writing some of the sounds, or adding some of the sounds here. So I have add boo, gasp, and then I will be writing tada, and then like this I will be writing victory sound. So here I will be now making this. Then in the end I will be adding here the wrong sound. Then you have to now just write here this tag and create here wrong.mp3. Then you have to write here victory.mp3. Then write here tada.mp3 and write here guest. So here I will be writing guest.mp3. Then I will be now just writing here do like this and .mp3. Save it here, reload. So you can see we are getting nothing here, because we have just only set the audios and we have only set the button here, but we have not shown the buttons here. So we will be getting all that stuff. So I will be moving to my styling file to get that effect here. After moving to this file, you have to now directly give here some of the effects. So I will be now writing here like box sizing should be border box, and create here a body tag like this normally, which we create. And then you have to write here a background color should be like RGB. Write here 160, 100, and write here 223. Then write here font family should be like Poppins. So I will be now writing this. Then you have to create comma sans serif. Write here display flex, and then you have to write here flex wrap should be wrap. Then you have to now directly write here align items should be center. Then you have to create justify content should be like center. Then you have to write here text align should be center, and then you have to now write here height 100 ph. Then you have to now write here overflow should be hidden. Then you have to now write here margin should be 0. Then you have to write here btn, and then write here background color should be like transparent, and then you have to now just change this transparent to purple here. So I will be now making it purple. Then write here border radius should be 5 pixel, and I will be now just writing here border none. Then you have to now create text color should be normally white, and write here margin should be 1 rem like this. After writing this tag, you have to now directly create here padding should be 1.5 rem, 3 rem. Then I will be now just writing here font size 1.2 rem, and then create here font family should be like inherit. Then you have to now write here cursor pointer, and after writing this you have to now create a tag should be like btn hour. Then you have to now just write here opacity should be like 0.9. Then you have to write here btn focus, and then you have to write here outline should be like. Save it here, like this, and then you have to reload. You can see we are just getting nothing here, so we have to now get some of the buttons so we can just move on to work with this project. So for getting that buttons here, I will be moving to my file, and after moving to this file here of Java, so you have to now write some of the Java code so we can move on to work with this text. So I will be now writing here sounds, const sounds, then I will be writing here the sound name which we have just used here in the start. So I will be writing here apples, then you have to now just write here boo like this, and then you have to write here comma, then write here guest, and write here tada like this, then write here victory. So here I will be writing, then in the end I will be writing wrong. This is what these were our sounds which I just put here. Then I will be writing const buttons document dot get element by id, then you have to create buttons, then you have to close it and then reload. So you can see we are getting till nothing here. So I will be now writing here const stop sounds is equals to, make this tag here, then create like this, just move down and then create this tag, write here sounds for each like this, create sound, and then you have to now create this tag like this. So I will be now moving here and then write like this tag, and then move down and write here const current sound is equals to, then you have to write here document dot get element by id, then create sound tag here. So we will be not writing any of the string here directly. I will be writing sound, right here current sound dot pause, make this tag here, remove this all from the back, and then directly I will be moving down, right here current sound dot current time. So here I will be now writing like this, then you have to now write here is equals to 0, then you have to now close this tag, right here sounds for each, then you have to now create here sound. So here I will be now just making this tag, then you have to move down and create const btn is equals to, right here document dot get element by id, and then write here button, then you have to now write here btn dot class list, right here dot add, and then write here btn, then you have to move down and create btn dot inner text like this, and then you have to write here is equals to sound, and after writing this tag you have to now write here btn dot add event listener like this, and then create here click tag, make this tag, and then you have to make this tag and move down, right here stop sounds, make this bracket, and then you have to now directly close it, right here document dot get element by id, and then you have to write here sound. Just remember, do not write this code here by mistake, I was just writing this. Then you have to move here and then write here dot play tag, make this, remove on from the back, then you have to now close this tag, right here buttons dot, right here append child like this, and then you have to create btn tag, then you have to close it, close here as well, save it here and then reload. So you can see we are just now, if I show you by full screening, we are getting nothing because we are not getting any buttons. So for getting the buttons here you have to now just start and work with this. So you can see we have just written all the things which we needed, like current sound dot pause, current sound normally, then we have written the current time as well, then we have written sound const btn document dot get element by id button, we have just used then class addlist btn, so you don't have to write any of the dot because this is not a class here. Then we have written btn dot inner text, and then btn dot add event listener click to stop sounds, and then I will be writing get element by id sound, and then I will be now writing here buttons dot add append child btn like this we have written. So if I just show you here, so these are the buttons which we have just put here directly, and then we have just written document dot get element by id buttons we have to write, and the sounds. So here I will be now just doing one thing, like I will be moving to my tag here directly, which was our the styling tag here. So you can see we are getting all the things in our styling tag which is working. Then move on to the main sounds file here, so move to the soundboard like this. So we are getting all the soundboards which we have just written here, id has been also mentioned. So I think that the mistake we are getting here in this main file here is, so I will be moving here and then I will be saving this file, there I will be reloading. So you can see we are not getting anything, means that it is having some errors, because of that we are not getting. So we have to check that what mistake we have done, because of that it is not showing us the btn. So if the mistake is here, so nothing happens because it is a normal mistake here, but the sound will be not coming. So you can just make the you can say you can just make the perfectly done here the sound effects which we have just written. Then you can see we have just written here const stop sounds for sound like this, and then here we have written current sound is equals to document get element by id sound, current sound dot pause, then current sound dot current time is equals to 0. Then we have closed this tag. Then I've written sounds dot for each sound, this tag. Then right here btn get element by id button, add btn. Then here you can see we are just getting all the things, stop sounds and sound dot play. We are getting buttons, app and chime. So we have to now solve this error. So for solving this error, I will be moving to my main file here, which is available on the main text. So I will be now moving to the main file. If I just show you here like this, and then here after moving to this main file, I will be now just directly moving here after this tag. Then you have to now directly move to the file. So today we are just building a project of soundboard, so I think that soundboard will be here. So I will be moving here and searching sound like this. So you will be getting soundboard here. So I will be now writing here soundboard like this. So now here you have to just directly right here like this, and then you have to now just move down after this tag, and then after creating this you have to now directly move here, and then after moving you can see when you will be reloading, so you will be getting the sound effects which we have just written here, and then you will be getting working here. So like this you can just create. So I hope you understand how you can just create this project here. So when you will be moving on to your page here, and when you will be reloading, so you will be getting all the sounds which we have just put here at the top, and from which you can just work, you can start working with the project here of soundboard which we have just created here. So I hope you understand how to create this soundboard from start when we are just working with this, and how to just create this project from start. So I hope you understand these things here. So if you have understand this project which we have just built here, so remember to hit a like, and if you are new on this channel, the subscribe button, and after subscribing hit notification bell, so more people can learn, they can understand how we can build this project from start, and how we will be using this project from start using these all amazing languages. So just help me meet you next project with more amazing things and more amazing tutorial using these all amazing languages. So for today, goodbye.